Today, we're diving into the world of skincare secrets with a focus on a hidden gem. Apricot kernel oil. This oil isn't just for cooking. It's a beauty booster too. Let's peel back the layers and uncover the juicy facts about apricot kernel oil. Did you know that apricot trees are native to regions like China, where they've been cultivated for over 4,000 years? That's longer than most skincare routines. The kernels inside those apricots are where the magic happens, as they're packed with vitamins and minerals that are great for your skin. The best apricot kernel oil is cold-pressed, which means it's extracted without heat or chemicals. This method preserves the oil's natural goodness, like oleic and linoleic acids, which help to moisturize and nourish your skin without clogging pores. It's like giving your skin a refreshing fruit smoothie. Apricot kernel oil is a natural emollient, which means it helps to soften and smooth your skin. It's lightweight and easily absorbed, making it perfect for all skin types, even oily or acne-prone skin. Say goodbye to dry patches and hello to silky smooth skin. Who needs a fountain of youth when you have apricot kernel oil? This oil is rich in antioxidants, like vitamins A and E, which help to protect your skin from free radicals that can cause premature aging. It's like giving your skin a shield against the elements. Late nights and early mornings taking a toll on your eyes? Apricot kernel oil can help. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce puffiness, and its moisturizing effects can lighten dark circles, leaving you looking bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Apricot kernel oil isn't just for your skin, it's great for your hair too. It can help to moisturize your scalp, prevent dryness, and improve hair elasticity. Plus, its lightweight texture won't weigh down your locks or leave them feeling greasy. It's like a spa day for your strands. Apricot kernel oil. A skincare essential that's as versatile as it is effective. Treat your skin and hair to nature's best-kept secret and unlock a world of beauty benefits. Thanks for watching, and here's to radiant, healthy skin.